What do you do when you open the terminal in Visual Studio Code and you get an error saying that NVM is not compatible with one of the npm config options? First, let's do a which npm, and that'll show us which version of npm the VS Code terminal is pointing at. Then move to an external terminal and do a which npm. And now we'll see which version the external terminal is pointing at. And we see here that they're different, which is why we're getting the error in VS Code and not in the external terminal. Go to Code, Preferences, Settings, and search for terminal.integrated.shellargs. And you'll see a shellargs OSX settings. In there, let's add an entry for terminal.integrated.shellargs.osx, and the value will be an empty array. Save the file, exit Visual Studio Code, and restart it. Now open the terminal again. We'll see that the error goes away. And if we do a which npm again, we'll see that this time it matches the path for our external shell. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are released.